When you think of the ocean, you think of the iconic bird, the gull. These seagulls are older than you might think. The earliest fossils were found in Mesozoic strata between 20 and 15 million years ago.
Meu coração quer cantar feliz, sorrir, dançar e viver essa vida de aprendiz.
Strictly a water bird, gulls can float on water like ducks and even have webbed feet, but they prefer to land on dry land. So if there's land or a boat, they'll land there, and rarely take to the water. Although they are famous as seabirds and their main food is sea creatures, they sometimes go deep into the land and eat freshwater fish and frogs in rivers, swamps, ponds, lakes, rice fields, and reservoirs, and they are said to eat rabbits on rare occasions.
Essa vida de aprendiz.
Many people mistakenly think they are about the size of a pigeon or magpie when they see them flying from a distance or see them in photographs. Gulls are about 1 meter long with their wings outstretched, and their beaks are about the length of an adult's finger, making them at least the size of a duck. They look like they only live in the ocean, but they also live in the Han River. They are quite ferocious, so they eat other animals' babies and eggs, and even fly at people to attack them. It looks cute from a distance, but it might be scarier than you think when you see it up close. Tortoises are the oldest reptiles on Earth. Although commonly referred to as a turtle, its formal name is tortoise. Turtles are members of the reptile family. They are egg-laying, oviparous creatures whose bodies are enclosed in a hard carapace. The carapace and abdomen are connected, giving the impression of a box. Some species of turtles have soft, flexible carapaces, like leather. Turtles have very different habitats depending on the species. Some turtles live in the ocean, while others live only on land. In general, land turtles have harder carapaces than sea turtles. Turtles are long-breathing, meaning they need to come to the surface to breathe. When a sea turtle sleeps, It does so by holding its breath in a cramped corner at the bottom of the ocean. They can usually hold their breath for 4 to 7 hours. As adults, turtles have very few natural enemies. They are usually eaten by sharks, crocodiles, jaguars, hyenas, and other animals with a strong bite. Most reptiles are long-lived, and turtles are among the longest-lived. Green turtles typically live 20 to 30 years, and loggerheads typically live 40 to 50 years. Elephant tortoises can live up to 150 years, and smaller species kept as pets usually live between 15 and 25 years. They have the smallest number of eggs of any reptile, but they lay a lot of them, resulting in a lot of tiny hatchlings. Although turtles are reptiles, semi-aquatic turtles are treated almost like fish. This is why you're more likely to see semi-aquatic turtles in aquariums than in reptile shops. Semi-aquatic turtles may splash or follow you around when you approach them. They sometimes act as if they are being affectionate to their owners. In reality, they're not recognizing you, they're asking for food. To be more precise, they know that when a person comes, they are fed. If you put someone other than the owner or a mannequin in front of it, it will do the same thing. However, if you keep them for a long time, they will recognize their owners a little bit. Box turtles, or wood turtles as they're commonly called, for example. Some highly intelligent species actually recognize their owners, and may even show affinity for their owners.